Right, I have no idea if this is going to work or not, but the emergency alert should go off in a few seconds. It says Android 11 or less. My camp's being attacked on Fallout, so I'm waiting for this to go off. It's probably not going to go off, but let's just fingers crossed this works. No, it's not going off yet. Oh yeah, there we go, it works. I didn't think that would work. It's one of those shitty text-to-speech voices. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, that was worth waiting for, that was. Holy shit.
This is a test of emergency alerts, a new UK government service that will warn you if there's a life-threatening emergency nearby. In a real emergency, instructions in the alert to keep yourself and others.
They haven't got the right text-to-speech voice either.
Alerts for more information. This is a test.
Oh my god, that was worth waiting for. It was one of those shitty text-to-speech voices. I wasn't expecting that. What the hell was that? That was the most ridiculous test I've ever seen. Oh, thanks for watching. That was worth waiting for.